Hi guys, today is the day 17 building in Notion. Now I was working on monthly view, especially the view how you see like your overall goal progress. So for example, if we talk about health and fitness, I have like 5 or 6 points that I'm currently working on. So it's the amount of sleep, the meals that I take, the gym, the meditation. And Notion allows you to like combine all of these values into 1% or one progress bar, so you will see like overall progress of your health and fitness goal. It's really nice to see the progress like this. I will share you a screenshot what I did. So yeah, I have the monthly overview and also the yearly overview. It's basically all months combined together, so you can see the actual progress you did month by month. It's really cool. I love it. Then I will work on overall structure. Just want to make sure that everything looks nice, all the properties, all the templates, and yeah, share some results with you tomorrow. See ya.